Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn about how to use might for possibility. Let's begin with the key points. What does might mean? Forming sentences with might. Forming questions with might. Practice examples. Summary. What does might mean? We use might when we are not sure about something, or not sure if someone can do something or will do something. It shows that something is possible, but not certain. Examples. I might go to the party tonight. Maybe yes, maybe no. He might be late. It's possible, but we don't know for sure. She might call you later. We are not certain. They might finish the project today. We don't know yet. Forming sentences with might. Let's look at how we make a sentence with might. We use subject, then might, then base verb. Examples. She might travel next summer. We might see a movie later. I might learn Spanish next year. Forming questions with might. Now that we know how to use might to talk about possibility, let's learn how to ask questions using might. We use might after the question word and before the subject. W, H, question word, then might, then subject, then base verb. Let's look at some examples. What might we do this weekend? Where might she travel next year? Who might help us with the project? When might they arrive? Practice examples. Let's practice asking and answering questions using might. Repeat after me. What might you do this weekend? I might go to the beach. What might your friend cook for dinner? She might cook chicken. What might happen if it rains tomorrow? We might stay home. Where might they go on holiday? They might go to Turkey or Greece. Who might join us for lunch? Omar might join us if he finishes work early. When might she call you? She might call me after dinner. Great job. Summary. Let's review what we learned today. Use might to show possibility, not certainty. He might be at the gym right now, not 100% sure. The form is subject, then might, then base verb. We might visit our cousin next weekend. Use might to ask questions about possible actions or abilities. What might you do this evening? Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.